Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mikate again, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your device open the Snapchat app and then make sure they are logged into your account. Now to view your blocked user list, you have to tap on your avatar that you see on the upper left corner. So tap on there, and once you land on this interface, now again tap on the settings icon from the upper right corner. In here, scroll all the way down. Here you will see your account action section. From there, search for blocked users. Once you see that, tap on blocked users, and on this interface you will see the list of users that you have blocked on Snapchat. Now select the one that you want to unblock, and on that specific account you will see an cross icon. So if you want to unblock that account, but before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now back to our video again. So tap on that cross icon that you see on that specific account. Once you tap on there, a dialog box will pop up which will ask you if you are sure to unblock that account. So go ahead and tap on yes from that dialog box, and then that account will get unblocked. So you have to add that account again. Remember the username and then search for the username in the search bar, and again simply add that account. So this is how you can simply unblock someone on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next video.